Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's training video, we will invite Engineer Wang to show us about insulation of the EPS cutting line. They are all located in the horizontal cutting section. First of all, the role of the insulation make the heating body and cutting frame insulation. The horizontal cutting has total 4 places of insulation. Today we are going to talk about copper rod insulation because this is the place needs pay attention in daily production and maintenance. This is the insulation pad that divides into insulation and conductive area of the copper wire hanging rod. The cutting wire needed to be cut the EPS block in the heating process is located in the conductive area below. The rest of the cutting wire which not need is located in the up insulation area, so that you can avoid the unused cutting wire in the up area also heating together. To achieve energy saving. Tips: never leave any copper wire holder in the place of the insulation pad. Otherwise, the copper piece will become a conductive body which will make the up copper wire holder conductive and at the same time may burn the rod. I hope these tips can help in the processing of the daring cutting line use. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.